In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a action figure based on a photo. Now you can generate this with ChatGPT using AI, and this is the result that I got. But I've tried to generate many of these and I've got different results. I'm going to share with you the prompt and explain how you can do it. So first you need to go to ChatGPT, and once you're inside of ChatGPT, open up a new chat, and you can do this with the new AI image generator inside of ChatGPT. So this is the image that I used, and this is the result that I got. I'm actually going to do this again once more, but we'll tweak the prompt a little bit. And what I'll do is I'll leave the prompt in the description below if you want to go ahead and just copy it. So I'm going to drag my image from my computer onto the chat, and it's then going to upload it, and it should then add it to the chat. And then what you can do is you can type out or paste in this prompt and obviously replace stuff like I've got my name at the top, replace your name. And you can add any accessories that you want. I've just put dumbbell and a football. I'll change this though to dumbbell and a camera, and we'll just see what it generates. You can see here we've got specific details like glossy, light reflections, it needs to be cinematic lighting, high resolution, so on. The prompt really does matter here. So again, we've got a pretty similar result, and it's AI generated the rest of my body. So go ahead and try this. You can tweak the prompt, but I will leave this one in the description below if you do want to copy it.